What's up guys, Pete here. In today's video we're going to get into my number one traffic method, my number one way to drive traffic to my Amazon product listings, and this is going to be applicable if you're a total beginner or if you're advanced. This is the way you want to do it in 2018 going into 2019. This is the way I've been seeing the most success, so stay tuned. This is part one of this series. This is going to be more generalized information, so stay tuned and watch all the way through. So what is my number one method of driving traffic that I mentioned? Well, it's using Facebook Messenger, okay, and more in particular the software ManyChat. And ManyChat is a Facebook Messenger bot, probably the most popular and well-known one on the market. It's the one that I'm just most used to. I've worked so much with and I understand the best, so that's why we're using it here. I'm sure you've heard a lot about chatbots, a lot about Facebook Messenger bots and all that kind of stuff, but hype surrounding it is for real. Like, this stuff really works, and I just want to introduce it to you if you have not seen it before, because honestly this is a game changer and it can really impact your Amazon business for the better, especially going into 2019. So first thing you want to do is sign up on ManyChat.com. So let me take you there right now. This is ManyChat, and right here guys, you can get by for free. They have a free plan. You can get by. You don't necessarily need the Pro. The Pro has a lot of cool features and you can unlock certain things, and you can get by with the free. The free is actually enough to get started. You can do what you need to get done on the free plan, which is great. And as far as the Pro plan, how much does it cost? Well, you can see right here, right? It goes up for the amount of subscribers, pretty typical to your standard email autoresponder that you're all probably used to. $10 up to 500, $15 up to 1,000. All that kind of stuff. And this is the software you want. This is the software you want to get. This is a no-brainer, especially the free. At least get the free one, right? In fact, I suggest that you get this if you're brand new, you don't even have an email list, you don't have MailChimp or Aweber or any of the standard email autoresponders. Honestly, I suggest you get MailChimp, number one, just because it's free, right? But I suggest you work on Facebook Messenger over your emails. This is more important. This is actually getting more results for me, right? Everything is just from my own experience, and that's what I suggest you do. So why exactly should you be using a Facebook Messenger chatbot? Well, number one, it's extremely easy to capture leads, meaning they literally can click a link, the customer can click a link, or they can say a word, in the form of a reply to you on Facebook, and boom, they're automatically subscribed to your Messenger list. They don't have to enter their name, enter their first name, their last name, and email address, all this kind of stuff in the standard way that you know how opt-ins work for emails. Messenger is so seamless, it's so easy. Oftentimes the person probably doesn't even know that they're actually literally subscribing to a list. And we need to leverage that for as long as we can, right? As long as Facebook allows us to do that, I suggest we leverage the crap out of it until something happens where people are getting upset about their privacy and all. Number two reason why you need to be using a Messenger chatbot is you don't even need an autoresponder, guys. Like I said, get ManyChat. It's free. You don't waste your money on an autoresponder. Start building your Messenger list first before your email list, and you're going to save money and it's going to be more efficient, right? How can we spend the least amount of time and get the most results out of the time spent on whatever task we're trying to get done? That's what I'm always after. That's what I'm always trying to achieve in my business and in my life, for that matter. And Messenger ticks that box. Another great thing is you don't even need a website or a landing page. So you don't even need a website. You don't even need ClickFunnels or Shopify or any of this kind of stuff. You don't even need that, because you can go straight from Facebook to Messenger to Amazon in a very seamless and integrated manner, and you don't need a website. I mean, obviously the website helps in certain scenarios, but as far as what truly is going to move the needle and get you up and running if you're a beginner and making sales and getting traffic and getting leads in the shortest period of time for the cheapest amount of money, you don't need any of that stuff. You really don't. Just get ManyChat, get Facebook Messenger. Obviously you don't need to get that. You already have that by default. And just start driving traffic to Messenger, straight to Amazon, and you're going to be golden. And this is probably the best part, right? 90% plus open rates on messages. That's not myth, that's real. That happens every single time I send out a message. I should say 80% or above, right? 80% or above if I'm being totally realistic. But look, the typical email list is 5 to 20%. If you're really good, if you have a really engaged list, you get up to 30% on occasion. But I think a big reason for that is just the fact that people are sick and tired of emails, right? They've been getting all these emails for so many years now. Messenger is still pretty new in terms of the marketing aspect of it. And people just don't really view the messages that they get within Messenger as, I don't think they've made that direct connection yet of like, hey, you know, this person's trying to sell me something. So they're more inclined to open it. And not only that, but there's also other factors like, you know, they probably get a notification on their phone. It probably vibrates. You know, it's kind of like getting a text message, like somebody messaged you on Facebook. Definitely getting a more active responder in that regard. Facebook is more personal, so they think like, oh, you know, you're personally messaging them. You know, oh, he wants to or she wants to tell me something, a special message or whatever. But regardless of the actual reason, the truth of the matter is you get 80 to 90% open rates, which is amazing and unparalleled in any other form of advertising. Now in this video, I'm not going to get into specifically how to build out these bots and how to build out certain things because, well, I will get into that a little bit in the future, but here's the thing, guys. See up here, free video course. I'm on ManyChat's website. Click that, and literally they have a whole entire free course on how to use all of their tools. So, you know, they can probably explain this a lot better. I've actually been through this course, and it's a very, very good course, very in-depth. It's free, and they teach you everything. So if you really want to get up to speed on how to use ManyChat in the most efficient manner, this is probably the best place for you to start. Go ahead and just sign up for the free course. Go through it, and that's that. But I will be getting into some more advanced stuff that I do personally myself, you know, as it relates specifically to Amazon and how to use it for Amazon in later videos. But in the first part of this video series, we're just going to highlight the basics, and this is where you should start. All right, and lastly, how should you use this in the most efficient manner when you're just beginning, if you don't have any list, anything like that? So giveaways and promotions are still probably the best way to get just, you know, leads on demand, like just a quick amount of people surging into your Messenger funnel, into your subscriber list. You know, any sort of deep discount is going to get a ton of people in there every single time. Any sort of promotion, giveaway, anything like that, you guys already know how it is. And, you know, that still works big time. Contest is another great strategy. So, you know, sign up here. You have a chance to win a 100% free item, blah, blah, blah. Contests are great. I'm not going to get into the specifics on how to set all this stuff up, like I said in this video. So this is just high-level information. I want to get you prepared. I want to get your mind prepped for all this kind of stuff that's going to be coming in the future. Perhaps the best way to be utilizing ManyChat for medium to long-term growth of your actual brand, right? Because you're actually providing value right here as opposed to just straight up a discount. You're building a brand, you're building trust, you're building rapport with your audience. So a free piece of content related to your niche, right? So hey, you know, maybe you're in the health niche or the supplement niche, and you're like, you advertise, hey, you know, get this 100% free guide on how to increase your bench press by 10 pounds in 2 weeks or whatever it is. It's going to get a ton of response, a ton of opt-ins, as opposed to, hey, you know, coming out of the gate with, hey, you know, buy my pre-workout supplement Amazon right now. No, you know, that works for the giveaways and promotion aspect, but that doesn't work for building a brand and actually being able to. The only way you're going to entice people to be generating to purchase your product at, say, full price, or purchase your product at, say, 20% off, 10% off. People who purchase your product at 10 or 20% off, those have to be loyal fans. And no random person is going to do that. So in order to actually start, and that's the end game, right? That's the end game that you really want to be arriving at. And it's really hard and it takes time. But the key is to start now and start in the most efficient way possible by using this strategy. So a piece of content related to your niche. Hey, here's your free guide on how to do so-and-so. And then follow up as you nurture them along in Messenger and in any follow-ups. You know, you slowly get them moving along into enticing them to buy one of your products that relates directly to the problem that you're solved in that free piece of content. So let me show you exactly one of the free ebooks that I've gotten made. I actually had somebody make it on Fiverr for me for like 20 bucks. That's how easy it really can be. And it got a whole lot of traffic on Facebook. So let me show you right now. This is in the travel niche, guys. To travel on a budget. And yeah, it's like 18 pages or so. Table of contents, all this stuff. And it looks nice, right? The particular audience really liked this ebook, so just had it made on Fiverr. You can make it yourself very easily. I would just use a free software called canva.com. and you can make your own ebook without any problem at all. You can even download it as a PDF right from Canva. If you don't want any of the hassle or anything like that, go to Fiverr. Yeah, if you have a travel related item, advertise a travel ebook. If you have a fitness related item, maybe advertise something on the ketogenic diet or the intermittent fasting, any of the hot fitness topics or diet topics out there. And that's that, guys. In a nutshell, a very simplified form, the best ways that you need to be using Messenger. And if you have an email list already, focus on sending those people promotions and content and value. It forces them to opt into Messenger if you want to get that early surge of subscribers to your list. So that's a no-brainer if you have a list of email subscribers already. That's about it, guys. Like I said, go to ManyChat.com, sign up. It's free. If you start killing it, if you really just get sucked into the whole ManyChat thing, then go for the pro. It's only $10 a month to start out. And yeah, that's about it. This is the software you want to be using for Facebook Messenger, especially for Amazon. Most of the top marketers out there are using ManyChat, so I suggest you do the same. And like I said, click on that free video course up here because that's going to show you all the basics, all the step-by-step stuff. And speaking of free courses, check the link below in the description because I have the most in-depth free Amazon FBA course on the planet. Over 65 videos of pure content. It's 100% free. I show you exactly how to do things. I even give you my SOPs, my operating systems, my email templates to suppliers, my email templates to customers, all the step-by-step formulas that you guys would ever need to get started and get profiting on Amazon right away. And that's that. So check out that free course. Check out ManyChat. For now, guys, I'm signing out. I'll be getting back at you with the next videos in this series. So we're going to be getting into some more advanced stuff. Hopefully you are into that, so stay tuned. My name is Pete. Talk to you later.